Hey, this is Caroline from Paracutá. I'm here in the studio with Sean, who's behind me. And we're trying to figure out why Sean's Rhodes won't power up. So I'm going to open up the back and take a look inside, and we'll see what we find. Okay, so as you can see, we have a Rhodes 88 Mark I here. Lovely piano. And I've opened up the back here. You can see some of the insides. And lo and behold, we found an issue with the power module. I'm just going to tip this up here and see one of the capacitors has failed. Some electrolyte coming out of there. This is a common failure among capacitors, actually. Usually they last about 30 years. And then the electrolyte starts to break down. And you can see we've got the new caps around here. It's fairly remarkable, actually, the change in size over 30 years. And so we're going to swap those out. And of course, before we do anything, I should note that we've checked our capacitors to make sure that they are not carrying lethal voltage. This, of course, is something you should always do before you pull any kind of electronics out of equipment, especially high voltage equipment. And, just to demonstrate here for you, we'll put these probes on here. And you'll see we're running a voltage that is negligible, safe to handle. So, if you don't know what you're doing at home, kids, don't do it. But anyway, I'm going to put these parts on and see if it works. Okay, so here's the board totally rebuilt. You'll see we've got the new caps in. One thing to really be aware of with electrolyte caps is they have to be put in with the correct polarity, meaning that if you see on the board, we've got these plus signs here. You have to orient the cap for the plus side to be aligned, otherwise you could get exploding caps. So anyway, we're going to drop this in the Rhodes now, and we'll see what happens. Now for the moment of truth. Does the Rhodes work? Aha! There we have it, episode 2, Paracutá Tech Talk.